Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notifications not working on iPhones after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of notifications, that their notifications are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. Usually, many users are complaining that they are facing an issue of notification after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.4.1. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix notifications not working on your iPhone after 17.4.1 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your notification settings. Make sure that notifications are enabled for the specific apps you are having the trouble with. To do this, you have to simply open the settings and then tap on notifications and select the app which is causing the issue. Like I am facing an issue with Facebook, and you have to make sure that the allow notifications are enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply check do not disturb mode and silent mode is disabled. Ensure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode as this will silence all notification. You can check by the going to control center on your iPhone and you can see the option do not disturb mode. If it's enabled, then you have to do is simply disable it. And if you have enabled the silent mode on your iPhone like this, then you have to do is simply disable it back. So guys, after trying all these steps, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is enable the background app refresh on your iPhone. Make sure that the background app refresh is enabled for the apps you want to receive notification from, or you can simply enable this for all the apps you have. So guys, to enable this, then you have to do is simply tap on background app refresh, then again tap on it and you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, to do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix notifications not working on iPhone after 17.4.1 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.